Hello Year 6 and welcome to Lesson 1, Guided Reading based on The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Now, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is one of the most classic books of all time. It was published in 1950, so it's now 70 years old. And even still, now, I love this story. This story has so many happy memories for me, and I really hope that you enjoy this next week of learning based on this classic book by C.S. Lewis. So you've got a few tasks to do for guided reading today, and in order to do questions 2 and 3, you have to do task 1. Although some of you might have maybe read this book before or you've watched the films, when you come on to task 2 and 3, I'm looking for specific words which are in the story as the evidence for those answers. So although you may know the names of the 4 children, you can obviously write those down, but I'm looking for a little bit more detail today. So if you can please make sure you read through chapter 1. So task 1, read through chapter 1, Lucy looks into the wardrobe. Once you've read through chapter 1, you can go on to task 2, where we're focusing on retrieving information. So you're going to have to scan through the pages to try and find the information for those answers. Like I've just said, for task 2, for those 6 questions, if you can please try and put a little bit of detail into your answers, then that would be fantastic. So for example, question 2, where it says, when is the story set? Instead of just putting down a date or a time period, I'd like some full sentences. So you could say, the story, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is set in I know this because, and you can use some evidence. I would like to see a little bit of detail. It's only 6 questions. Once you finish, task 3, it says draw the fawn from the description given. There is a character in the story called the fawn, and you need to try and find that description, and you're going to draw a picture based on what it says. I hope that you enjoy this week's lessons on The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, that you're still enjoying this gorgeous sunshine that we have each day, and that you're all well and healthy. Please keep up the amazing work, Year 6. You're making me and Miss Wilson so proud. Enjoy!